This is not a roadmap video where I give you an Excel sheet and tell you do this, do that, and you will learn AI. No, this is not that. This is about addressing your real challenges while learning AI. What are the top 5 challenges while learning AI? Number 1, in this fast changing age of AI, you are not up to date on the new things. Number 2, you don't have any resume worthy projects that you can put in your resume. Number 3, you don't have exposure to industry use cases, what is happening in the industry. Number 4, you don't have access to people who are like you, who are facing the same problems that you are facing, and you want to interact and talk and solve the problem by their learnings, their experiences. And number 5, you can't have same resume and same cover letter for all the jobs out there. These are the 5 problems you are facing, and this I am telling based on my experience of interacting with thousands of people who are trying to get a job into AI. In this video, I am going to tell you few things about these problems, how you can solve that, what is the way out in AI learning journey, and most important, if I am teaching live somewhere. Yes, I am doing it. Watch the video till end to know more about it. I will tell you how to tackle the problems, how to talk to me, and how to get best out of the AI wave. So guys, what I have done is based on my experience of training and mentoring people, I have listed 5 problems that you are facing in 2025 in learning AI or going to the next level in AI in your careers. First of all, fast changing AI trends. So last year same time if I ask you to learn agentic AI, you will say it is not necessary, or multi agent orchestration, you will say it's not necessary. But now if I tell you, you will say yes, I want to learn it. AI landscape is changing very fast. You need to learn many new things, and you need good courses, good materials, good content for that. That is your problem number 1. And let me write here solutions, which we will come back later. But let's try to understand problems. Then resume worthy project. You will agree with me that in your AI learning job, you don't find many resume worthy projects. So something that you can put in resume and talk in job interview about that. That is a very big problem. And if I am interviewing you, you have put a bad project, at that moment only you will get rejected. Reason being, I know that these are some coaching institute provided projects. So that's not right. So you need good projects to put in the resume. Third is whenever you are learning, suppose you are in India, let's say Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, or anywhere in the India, right? Or anywhere in the world, you want to know if somebody is able to crack the job, what is that they have done to crack the job, how they have approached the recruiter, how they have built the resume, how they have built their LinkedIn portfolio projects, right? So you can't learn alone, you need a group of people who are learning with you. Okay, so that is another thing. Fourth is you need to know what is happening in the industry, and for that you need to talk to people who are in industry. For example, me or somebody from the industry, you need to talk to get the industry exposure. And fifth but not the least, nowadays, if you take same resume and same cover letter and apply to multiple jobs, it's not going to work. You need different resume cover letters based on the JD. You need to fine tune your resume and you need to apply for the job. So this part is another area where you will need some kind of guidance. These are the 5 key areas. If you take care of these right, then your AI learning journey will be smooth. It will be easy. It will be the way it should be basically. So I will tell you about what the solutions for these are. But let me try to tell you a story that has happened last year around March or April. So what happened is, let me go to Google and show you something. If you go to Udemy and search for Udemy Super Data Science, you are going to get some familiar faces here. So I'm sure in your AI learning journey or machine learning journey, you might have come across Super Data Science team. And a very familiar face here of Kirill, who is the founder and CEO of Super Data Science, you can see. And the interesting part is there is 3.2 million learners here with nearly, you see how many reviews are here. Okay. So it's a huge platform here on Udemy, creating a lot of courses. So what happened last year is Kirill, who is the founder and CEO of Super Data Science, reached out to me. He watched some of my video maybe on YouTube, and Kirill told me that Aman, I like the way you teach. I like your style of teaching, and we are building a platform where we do certain things. And would you like to teach there live for some time, maybe weekends, one lab like that? So I said yes, and from last 1.5 years I have been teaching on that platform the labs and some career booster sessions and some other kind of sessions. And that platform basically, so all these courses you can check of Udemy. This is basically Udemy Super Data Science, but what I am talking here about, Super Data Science portal, for which I am training or for which Kirill reached out to me. So if I go to this portal here, right, Super Data Science portal, you will see that there are a lot of things on the portal. First thing that you will notice immediately here on the left hand side is there are a lot of courses. So for example, ML courses, you can see some 10 courses, Tableau courses, you can see some 10, 11 courses, coding courses, and this advanced SQL courses is prepared by me only. Okay, so this is another course. Then you will see data analytics courses, then you will see MS Excel courses, many courses you will see here. That is the first part of what this platform does. I will just walk you through what this platform does, and then I will tell you why it is worth, checking this platform. So first thing is, you need, suppose tomorrow a new concept comes in the world of AI, you need a good quality course on that, right? And that you are going to get here. Also, there is a career paths defined here, where if you want to become an AI engineer, or if you want to become a data scientist, or if you want to become an ML engineer, right? There are different career paths that you can take, which we have defined here on the portal, and you can do courses based on that. So you can do level 0 course, level 1 course, then level 2 course, and you can build your own path. So that way you have access to a lot of courses, lot of upcoming things in the data science, and that is there on this portal. That is number 1. Number 2, and my favorite, if you go to feed, right? If I'm clicking on feed, the very first feed you see here, end of week 2 of ML pay grade project. So here I have a description of a people doing some projects here. Okay, so if you see here, right, people are doing some projects here together, and this project is something which is industry ready project, so which means you can put this in the resume. This is not a coaching institute project. Okay, few people are coming together, taking a real data, deploying something and building a real kind of project. So this will give your resume that project which you are short of, that that heavy project that you are short of. So in the collaborative projects which is led by Mr. Sahir, and here you can see that people are doing great work. So you can see comment of headline, great work team, the development plan and strategy seems solid, can't wait to see what happens in week 3 and week 4. So there is guidance, there is mentoring. With this mentoring you can do collaborative projects. Third thing that you want to do here is, you have a lot of people who are like you, who are either searching jobs, want to switch to AI, or something similar. For example, if I show you this post, so there was a gentleman called Devron, and the last post on SDS, right? So Devron got a job. If you see here, right, I landed my first job as a data scientist in a local company. So he landed a job. So he's saying thanks to all of us, to Kirill, who is the founder and CEO of Super Data Science. Hadlin is also another co-founder of Super Data Science. Sahir runs the collaborative labs. Luca is an industry expert like me, and I am there. So all of us support people to get the jobs, get the interview done, and people are able to get into good places. Where I am engaged in is live events. So for example, if you go to upcoming live events, you will see that there are some live classes scheduled here, which is basically once in a month for my labs. And then there will be another session on career booster. There can be another session on resume clinic. So we decide the frequency of these sessions, but you will get all the live sessions with me and with other experts as well, plus the recording of all the previous sessions. For example, here in the lab recordings, you can see building code agents is my session. Then preventive maintenance using Tableau is another session. Then building low code AI agents is my session again. Yes. So there are different sessions that we and some other industry experts keep taking. You can attend those live, ask live questions, queries, etc. So you will get exposure to industry, what is happening in industry. Fourth thing basically here is, when you go and apply for jobs, right? When you go and apply for jobs, you need some kind of resume guidance, how to tune your resume based on the GD. So there are dedicated career booster sessions and resume clinic sessions for that. So whatever problems I listed here, right? So for example, fast changing AI trends, how we are taking care of this is using 50 plus courses, and any new topic or important topic comes, you will find a course over there. Resume worthy projects. So you can do collaborative projects. These projects are excellent projects to go in your resume. Learning alone, you get an access to community that I told you, showed you the example of Devron, community access. And these people will be from all over the world. Industry exposure. So when you talk to me, when you talk to many other industry people, right, you will know what is happening in industry. So you will get to talk to industry experts. And then job description and resume. So you will get uh, career booster session. We call it CB session or interview prepare session. Like these kind of sessions you are going to get. So it's a complete package for your overall learning journey of AI, job hunting journey of AI. Since I'm associated with Super Data Science since some time, what I did is I told to Kirill that I want to take it to Unfold Data Science and tell to people that here is Super Data Science. I also take live sessions on them. And here is what happens on the platform. I believe on the quality. I believe on the platform. Go ahead and try it out. But I need a very, very good discount for somebody who is coming from Super Data Science, who is coming to Super Data Science from Unfold Data Science. Kirill became very happy and he offered me a huge discount. So before that, let me try to show you what is the actual price of the platform if you go through normal. So for example, if you go and search Super Data Science, right? Super Data Science on internet, you're going to get this page. And on this page, the first landing page, right? Here you will see what is the actual prices. I mean, without any coupon or without anything, if you go right. So you can see land your first AI job faster, build job ready AI skills. And here, if you click on courses, right? Don't click on courses. Anyway, courses I showed you pricing. So if you don't go annual, then it's $35 per month. If you don't go annual, okay. But if you go annual, then it is $23 per month. If you go annual, then the price for Super Data Science is $23 per month. But what we are doing now is we are offering a India specific pricing plus a discount on this $23 for anybody anywhere in the world. I will show you two portals, two links. One link is India specific link. That pricing is for India only. Don't enroll to that if you're not in Indian subcontinent like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan. If you're not in these areas, don't use India specific portal. The reason being, in the future we will roll out courses, we will roll out features, we will roll out sessions which match to that time zone, that language, that market. Okay, use India specific link if you are in Indian subcontinent. Otherwise, you are going to anyway get a 50% off on this standard link. So this is $23 per month. The link which I'm going to give you will come around $11 per month. That link I'll give you, and I will give you India specific link for specifically for India people that will be slightly lower than $11 per month. Let me give you two links. First is first link is check out India. So this is the link. If you go to this link, right? This is India link. I will give you in the description. And if you put a coupon code here, STS India. So for example, this is showing 1890 per month, right? Go and put a coupon code STS India and say apply. You are going to get a 50% off on both monthly and yearly plan. That is India specific. Or basically, if you want to use this link in Indian subcontinent, fine for you. Another thing, rest of the world, if you are anywhere in Europe, Australia, US, Canada, or Africa, if you want to use this link, this is another link that will give you 50% direct off on annual subscriptions. So what is the annual subscription fee here normally? Annual subscription fee here will come $23 per month multiplied by 12. Okay. But here in this link, you will see that it's $138, which is 50% off. So that will come around 276. This will come around 138. Okay. So that is basically 50% discount. India guys also 50% discount on the price, limited time price on both these. Go ahead and check these guys. One disclaimer, if you register through these links, I'm going to get a small amount of commission. And if you like Unfold Data Science work, I don't think you will hesitate in doing that. Just go ahead, register that. I am teaching there live. Many experts are teaching there live. You get a good community. You get collaborative projects. You get exposure to many courses and quality of the courses. You can simply go to Udemy, open any of the courses of Super Data Science site, and you can read the reviews. I can guarantee on the quality. That's not a problem, right? So I'll give you both the links, guys. Try the links based on wherever you are, and the prices are very nice for you at this moment. And I don't know how much time we can continue this pricing. So go ahead and register and see, feel the portal. I will meet you live on the portal. Fine. And please drop me any comment if you face any issues on the portal. The way to learn AI in coming age is continuous learning. And for continuous learning, you need a community, you need a portal, you need a group, you need mentoring, you need guidance. See you all on the portal, guys. Cheers.